When an armored vehicle speeds across the battlefield, kicking up dust, we usually only see its powerful exterior. But very few people know that behind that vehicle lies years of research, the labor of thousands of people, and an extremely complex manufacturing process. Today, we are stepping inside a high-security factory where the Humvee Saber is built, a modern armored tactical vehicle designed specifically to protect human lives in harsh and dangerous conditions. As soon as you enter the factory, it becomes clear that this is no ordinary automobile plant. Every stage here is controlled, and every task follows strict standards and a deep sense of responsibility. The Humvee Saber is essentially an upgraded version of the historic Humvee, redesigned based on modern battlefield experience and evolving threat types. The construction of this vehicle does not begin with cutting metal, but with digital design and analysis. Engineers first analyze battlefield data, soldiers' experiences, and reports on various types of threats. Then, using computer-aided design software, they create a 3D model. In this model, explosions, bullet impacts, extra weight, and long-term usage effects are simulated in advance. This allows potential weaknesses to be identified even before physical production begins.
Once the design is finalized, the real manufacturing work starts. The factory receives special high-strength steel, far more durable than ordinary steel. This metal is selected to be strong without becoming brittle and tough without being too soft. First, these steel plates are tested, then sent to advanced CNC laser cutting machines. Powerful laser beams cut the metal into armored panels with precision down to fractions of a millimeter. Each panel is shaped in a way that, once assembled into the vehicle structure, they overlap with one another to create a strong protective layer.
Next, the cut panels move to the hydraulic press section. Here, enormous pressure is applied to bend flat metal into shaped forms. Temperature and pressure are carefully controlled at this stage to preserve the metal's internal properties. After shaping, the panels are temporarily assembled to ensure everything fits correctly. If all is well, the welding process begins. Robotic welders are used for long durations because they can deliver consistently precise welds. However, for critical and sensitive joints, experienced human welders are still trusted. Each weld is inspected individually to ensure there are no hidden defects. At the same time, in another part of the factory, the vehicle's chassis and suspension system are built. Since the Humvee Saber is very heavy, its frame is designed to be extremely strong. Military-grade steel frames, heavy-duty shock absorbers, and specialized suspension systems are used to keep the vehicle stable over rough roads, rocky terrain, or debris-filled environments. Every nut and bolt is tightened to a specific torque and checked multiple times. Then comes the powertrain section. A powerful diesel engine is installed, known not for high speed, but for high torque and reliability. These engines go through various tests to ensure they can operate for long periods in harsh environments.
Next begins the work on the vehicle's internal protection systems. The Humvee Saber uses special blast protection seats designed to reduce injuries to soldiers if an explosion occurs underneath the vehicle. These seats are not directly attached to the floor, but mounted using a special system. At the same time, protected wiring harnesses are installed to power communication systems, navigation, lighting, and other electronic components. This wiring is designed to resist damage even during impact. Then, the heavy armored doors and bulletproof glass are installed. The glass is made of multiple layers of special materials that can stop bullets while still allowing clear visibility from the inside. The dashboard and control systems are kept simple and user-friendly so the driver can make quick decisions under pressure. Finally, military-grade run-flat tires are installed, allowing the vehicle to continue moving for some distance even after being damaged.
After the entire assembly is complete, rigorous testing begins. The vehicle is driven on special test tracks featuring uneven surfaces, mud, rocks, and slopes. The brakes, steering, suspension, and electronic systems are all tested. If any issue is found, the vehicle is sent back for corrections. Once it passes all tests, it receives a special anti-corrosion coating and military-grade paint to protect against rust and environmental damage. After final inspection, the Humvee Saber is ready for delivery.
The Humvee Saber is not just an armored vehicle. It represents modern engineering, real battlefield experience, and the responsibility of protecting human lives all at once. Behind every vehicle lies the hard work and vigilance of countless people who know that someone's life may depend on their work. And that is what makes this factory not just a production center, but part of a mission driven by responsibility.